class Hindi, part 7, Matra A. In previous class we learned A to Ru Matra, and today we learn An Matra. Okay, total swer. Okay, first previous class lo A ki matra. Okay, A ki matra, sleeping line, standing line. After E ki matra, sleeping line, standing line, right side up after E ki matra. E after which letter comes? E after which letter comes? E ki matra, E, standing line, left side half curve, up half curve, E. Okay, E after which letter comes? Vu ki matra, up and one round, small round, Vu ki matra. Vu after which letter comes? Vu ki matra, downward. Okay, like this, down, round, upside and down. U ki matra. U after which letter comes? Ru ki matra, like this, see, like. Okay, once again I repeat you. A matra, sleeping line. A matra, sleeping line, standing line. E matra, sleeping line, standing line, up right side half curve. E ki matra, sleeping line, standing line, left side half curve. U ki matra, here start here and upside and one small circle. U ki matra, downward, round, upside and downward. Ru ki matra, like this, right side half curve. Okay, Ru after which letter comes? A matra, one up line, A ki matra, one up line, one line. Okay, A after which letter comes? I matra, two up lines. Okay, two up lines. A matra only one up line, I ki matra two up lines. I after which letter comes? Wo. Yes. O ki matra, sleeping line, middle standing line, only one up line. O ki matra. O matra, sleeping line, standing line, up one line. O after which letter comes? O after which letter comes? Au ki matra, sleeping line, middle standing line, two lines, up two lines. Okay, up two lines. O ki only one line, Au ki two lines. Okay, next, Au after which letter comes? Au after Okay, ki matra, dot. Okay, after which letter comes? Aha. After which letter comes? Aha. Aha ki matra, two dots. Aha ki matra, two dots. Aha after which letter comes? An. Okay, An. It's like a Ardha Chandra Karangada. Yes, An ki matra, like this, up curve, you like, but not you like, small, like this. Okay, and one dot, Ardha Chandra Karangada. Okay, now half moon. Once again I repeat you. Total matra A ki matra, A matra, E matra, E matra, ऊ ऊ मात्रा, ऊ ऊ मात्रा, रू रू मात्रा, ए मात्रा, आई मात्रा, ओ मात्रा, औ मात्रा, अम मात्रा, आहा मात्रा, अन मात्रा. Okay, these are the total svar matra. Total svar matra है आ ई ऊ रू ए आई ओ औ आहा अन. These are the swar. These letters total it's called as swar letters. Swar means vowels. You know already? Yes. A to aha letters called as swar. In English में vowels. Okay. Here today homework children. Read and write. आ से अन मात्रा, आ से अन मात्रा ये, आ से आ मात्रा ये 2 times. 2 times practice cheyandi and more times also, not only 2 times, more times practice. It is easily to learn. Okay, practice children a to an matra. It's like గుణింతపు గుర్తులు తెలుగులో మనం నేర్చుకుంటాం కదా, తలకట్టు దీర్ఘం గుడి గుడి దీర్ఘం. in Hindi में बोलो मात्रा ये. Okay, आ मात्रा ई मात्रा. Okay, you can learn matra ye a to an. Okay children, thank you.